Magic Kingdom, and I'm here now with my friend Rachel, and we're going to do the Magic Kingdom pre-fireworks dessert party this afternoon. It's about 5:30, so it's an hour before the dessert party starts at 6:30. The cavalcade's just coming round, so you can probably hear it. But please do give this video a like if you're enjoying my Disney vlogs, and make sure you subscribe as well so you can see all the future vlogs as well coming your way. Let's go and see what the dessert party has in store for us today. Here's the castle looking beautiful as the sun sets. How gorgeous. Heading to check in now at 6 o'clock for the dessert party. And I'm excited to see what treats we've got. And Rachel is dairy free, so that's no milk and no cheese, so it'll be interesting to see what she's got as well, and it might be useful for some of you that might have dairy free food intolerances as well. Here we are, Tomorrowland Terrace, ready for the fireworks dessert party, the pre-one, and there's a queue to check in.
Alright, just dairy. That's it, yeah. Alright. I'm going to go back. I'm going to double check and see. Usually our chocolate covered strawberries are dark chocolate, so they're actually dairy free. I need to double check because sometimes they'll go with milk chocolate. But I'm going to go get you a plate that will be completely dairy free, no worries there. And I'll be right back.
Thank you. It's going up to the bar. I got ID'd. I asked the lady how old she thought I was. She said 23. Oh, which way?
We have to go this way.
She thought I was 23. I love her. So we have Chardonnay, and some different wines. Wine, Bud Light, Lager. I think that was round the other one. Was that round the other side round there?
That was like orange juice.
Was it?
Cava.
Is that one?
I'm sorry, can I grab one for my partner? Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Thanking you.
Put some. Cheers. Cheers. Nice. It's nice with the juice in. So we've got chocolate silk pie, Oreo cheesecake mousse, chocolate covered strawberries, my favourite, chilling chamber pot. We have Trellish, you know how you say that, Devil's chocolate pudding, Firehouse donuts, butterscotch pudding with caramel popcorn, salted fruit, and then we've got some cheese and crackers. And then the next table over here is again just the same as the one before. And then there is normally ice cream somewhere as well. This is a selection. I've got some donut balls, chocolate covered strawberries, which I love, and then these little things.
Enjoy, so if you want anything else, just let me know. And I'll grab so much.
So here is the dairy-free selection. Lots to try. And you've got some jelly babies.
Not a clue what everything is.
Love me some chocolate covered strawberries. And they've got a little design on them as well. Had my second portion of chocolate covered strawberries. I finished off my cava, prosecco, and now I've got a decaf coffee, and just letting the strawberries go down. I'm still in my face with chocolate covered strawberries. I'm easily pleased. And then Rachel is digged in for a little bit to her platter. This was a chocolate chip cookie, some kind of little chocolate cake with chocolate mousse, strawberry mousse, and then one of them had mint mousse as well. She had some strawberries, and then there was a lemon cake, and then a chocolate and coffee cake as well. So a nice little selection there. trade bit viewing spot. Ready to watch. Is it Enchantment or Enchanted, Rachel? Is it Enchantment or Enchanted? Enchantment fireworks. How pretty. Main Street with the lights. So pretty. The castle's got some funky looking polka dots on it.
No.
We're on the Jungle Cruise. We're on Fruitcake Zelda.
Because it's September. Now I'll welcome everyone to the world famous Jingle Cruise. Jingle Cruise. Aww, that was my first Noel. Anyway, my name's Skipper Lauren. Yeah, do you know the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. Sorry, I'm supposed to be telling jokes. Anyway, let's head down the Nile River in Africa. That's the longest river in the world, and it just goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in Africa. Pay attention, please. I'm going to take the time now to point out my favorite seasonal plants. Wait, did you want me to name them? I could do that. We can call that one Bella, Edward, Jacob, oh, you wanted to know what type of plants they are? I don't know that. No, sorry. Now, up ahead on the left is our lost and found. I guess that means that our tour is just about over. I've grown really fond of you guys, though. I can't let you go without any parting words. I guess I really only have one thing left to say. In the spirit of Christmas, make like Santa and leave my presents. Get out. Oh my gosh, Fanny, applause. Thank you. How did you?
Just waiting to go on Mine Train. It's very, very late. It's like 20 minutes to park close. But we're here, we're queuing. We just did Haunted Mansion as well. That kept breaking down every few minutes. But we're here, we're going on now. Oh my stomach! And just queuing now for Pooh Bear. I love Pooh Bear, it's super cute. It's all festive and Christmassy. Oh, they're doing shots in front of the castle. It's heading out of Magic Kingdom now. It's all lit up, it's all pretty. And actually the tree looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you now. We've managed to get onto one of the pier as well at the very last end of the night. I'm glad the photo pass photographers are out though.
I thought they'd have gone by.
Yeah, I thought they would have. I think it's very lovely they are. Yeah, the queue for the Starbucks is about 30 people long earlier out of the door. Bye to the castle. Hi castle. I don't know what accent that was. Hi castle. So pretty. The tree's beautiful as well.
You've seen Cruella, right?
I've seen Cruella.
Thoughts?
I like it. Why?
I'm not a fan of it, but I thought it was very good.
Yeah, I thought it was really good. I love the older, what's her name? The one who plays the older woman. Emma Thompson.
Yes.
I love Emma Thompson.
Nanny McPhee.
Nanny McPhee.
That's what I always say.
Nanny McPhee.
No justice whatsoever.
I'm going to finish this vlog off here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed the dessert party and the rest of the evening here today. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Obviously I'm back vlogging again, and I would just love that little extra support and that encouragement. That would be really, really thoughtful and kind of you if you could do that for me. And then make sure you subscribe as well to my channel so you don't miss any more of my future vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Night from Magic Kingdom.